Hey folks, I'm Benno. This is the shed. Trailer's just outside at the moment, but I'm working on it. Set of racks over there. The sheet metal, I'm starting to close it in now, so we're getting close to the end. Also, been stuffing around with this. Set it up for more batteries. Well, they come up reasonably well. I might have to cut this down there so I can get the battery in. But that's all come up pretty well. So I'm just using scraps now. I've got no more new material. Well, no more new angle iron. So I'm just using up the scraps that I've got now. Well, here you go. Got some in. Oh, I've just been cutting up some sheet metal. Ta-da! There you go, there's part of it done. Still got an end to do. Do that in the metal brake. That's coming together. Yay! Not too far off where I'm finished. This bend I want at 25mm. So we'll just clamp it down. Make sure it's not tight. Made this thing, I don't know, 3-4 years ago. I've hardly used it, but every now and then I have the need to bend some sheet metal. And it works pretty well. Ready? Ready? Go, nice 90-degree bend. Unfortunately, this metal brake's too small for the biggest sheets that go on this thing. But for the end sheets and the smaller stuff, yeah, it's perfect. And there have pair of beautiful bends. Now I'm just going to go and see if this fits. And that fits perfectly. So that'll all go together tomorrow. Now I've just got to do some shelves and some doors for it. Set up some locking mechanisms and away we go. It's starting to get a bit late now, so I'm going to call it a day. But I'm Benno. This is the shed. I'm doing the trailer build. You can't see the trailer at the moment, but it's outside. Catch you next time.